Hello YouTube, I'm gonna make this video fast and furious because I keep losing my video recorder on my computer. So I'm just gonna get right into the haul. I got this eyeshadow primer from Hard Candy. This, so far, I've tried it out with several of my eyeshadow palettes. It seems to be working well. It enhances the shadows and makes them even more pigmented for my hooded eyes. The next item I managed to score is just this palette from LA Colors. It's called LAC Eye Shadow Eye Palette. No particular name, no description if it's for darker skin, brown eyes. It's just multicolored. It has an electric blue. As you can see, it has an electric blue, it has a rose color, it has a black, it has neutral shades, and it has green and a frosty shade right here. Very beautiful. And it is a bit pigmented. The other item I managed to score is this, another eyeshadow primer. It's from bareminerals. It was quite pricey, but what I intend to do is use drugstore finds for more drugstore formulated eyeshadow palettes. And I'm going to use this for some of my higher end eyeshadow palettes like Laura Geller. If I could pick up any from NARS, if I can pick up any just higher end palettes like Morphe and Lorac and the like. The other item I managed to score was this metallic Ulta branded eyeshadow. I did also manage to pick up a eyeshadow primer that's designed for, which is also an Ulta branded eyeshadow primer, but it's specifically designed, as it shows right here on the tube, for metallic and glitter eyeshadow formulas. So these two products I'm going to use hand in hand. The other items I managed to pick up was this far color eyeshadow quad from Wet n Wild. It states that it's a limited edition, so I don't know how many you'll be finding in the stores. But it's very pigmented, it's very beautiful, and I specifically got it for this matte black, this rose color, and the shimmer shades. These lighter shimmer shades were very flattering on my eyes. The other items I managed to pick up, and last but not least, are these two lip palettes from Urban Decay. One is this Vice palette, giving off the impression that it'll make you sexier by, or you're releasing your inner vixen by putting on this eyeshadow by using this lip palette, rather. It comes in for 4 colors. You can pick up the individual, lip products from the Urban Decay, but I like this cute little palette style because I can travel with all 4. It's not very heavy, and it fits very cute in my purse, and it doesn't add any weight. And I also managed to pick up this other palette, and all the colors are very, very flattering. I did manage to pick up some other odds and ends, but they were just refills on things like beauty blenders, little triangles for patting in my foundation and powders and the like. And I didn't think you guys wanted to see a redundant of that. So what I do look forward to doing for you in future videos is taking specifically the items that I've showcased to you in this particular haul and using them to create attractive face looks. I look forward to seeing you in my other next video. Have a great night.